So Loop is probably the most hidden gem in the Microsoft 365 suite, and it's a next generation collaboration tool. It is designed to bring people together and tasks and functions and things like that. But unlike tools of the past, and it's very similar to tools like OneNote, where you will want to go in and put in notes and capture that kind of thing, Loop is built around this idea that you have a component. And a component could be a table or a checklist or a task list. And we can take that component and we can embed it into anything in the Microsoft world, whether that be a Teams message or a channel or chat. It can go into an Outlook email. It can go into a Word document. You can take this component and you can put it into something else. And the reason that's important is, let's say you email out a checklist of things to do, and I send that out to Chris and Eve on Monday. I email out these 3 things to be done. If I just do that as text in an email, I've got no way of seeing whether or not we ever did those things. So I go back 2 months later, I can't see whether or not we did those actions or whatever. With Loop, I can create a dynamic checklist. I can put it into that email, and then even Chris can tick things when they're done. And months from now, I can go back and I can tick something off. And then, 2 months later, I can go back in and I can tick something else off. And I can see all the things that other people have ticked off in that space of time as well. So it's this kind of living component that we can take and lift, and we can put it into other spaces. So if you're trying to orchestrate stuff between teams, I cannot tell you how cool this tool is for just follow-ups from meetings, and jobs and task lists and things like that. That is where it really, really shines right now. So fantastic tool, and again, one that I would encourage you to have a look at, have a play with. All of these tools, you've probably got access to them right now. So again, off to office.com, have a look and see if there's any that you want to play with.